Well, happy Monday to you. Tonight we got a truck down hard. At least that's what I'm being told. Way up on, oh my. It was 22, 25 mile marker up into Joplin on I-40. Has a blowout, but then there was another road run company up there, and then I guess maybe one of the lug nuts, bad, stripped out, couldn't do it, wouldn't do it. Couldn't do it, wouldn't do it. I don't know. So they got a hold of me and I called a source of parts. I got a good probability we're going to get it done. At least I hope. It's a long way up there. Not get them done, I'll tell you that. But I know we got to go clear up to 39 mile marker, something like that. There's a Love's truck stop up there, Love's Travel Care or something. I don't know. But they got tires. I had tires, but fleet pricing. They said, I need you to go up to Love's. And I said, well, it would be cheaper if you just bought mine because I got to charge you to do all that. Well, we can't get tires outside of our network. I said, okay, well, then we'll just set the truck and we'll go get you tires. At that point, just sit back and shut up. Seemed more logical. So that's what we're doing. Kind of late. I don't think we're going to get home in time for, bed. I think we're just going to have to work through bed. But we got Hollywood.
What's up, guys?
Got any travel life advice or anything tonight?
No. I just hope and pray we don't get run over tonight.
Yeah.
Alongside the road, guys. This is dangerous work, so get the heck over.
Yeah, I'm not even trying to joke about it tonight. The danger level's high. I-49 is a busy road.
Yeah.
Very, very busy. We're going to have extra swivels and heads, and we just got to do what we got to do. You know, we signed up for it, so we're going to go do it. Hopefully go put a whip on a tire, and got the torch loaded and everything, so we'll probably have to go whack-a-mole on some studs. On 1, 2, I don't know. And I don't know. It is what it is. We're just going to go do work. See what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, we're just landed on scene. We'll get some Panther juice or something. I don't know which one's supposed to be spinning, but one of them might be. That one the spinny?
That's the one they look like.
Okay, well we're going to put a little Panther on everybody. And then we're going to try to, let's go ahead and get it jacked up. Okay, well we had to move. We're at a new landing. We did verify that we had a lug nut that will not come off. We're going to have to do a little torching anyway. So it's just a much safer location. So we're going to have to torch off at least one. We'll have to see how many for sure. But we was able to not get one loose. So we'll have to do the roasty. I got a new stud with me, a new nut, and we'll see what happens. Looks like we're going to have to fire up the big girl. So we know that one, the one with the red, is stripped and won't turn. And then we had a couple here that's not wanting to come loose. All right, Holly, ready to give it a whirly burn? Fellas, work, house. I think we got further travel. That's what I think. I think we got 3 of them off tonight. That's what I think. But you got your air back. Go give her hell on the top too. Let's separate that one from the pile for sure. Is it turning?
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's turning. I guess I should have said it differently. Is it coming off or is it just sitting there spinning?
Sitting there spinning, but I didn't have full air like I had on the other one.
I think you're going to have to cut 2. So we got the one off. I didn't think it was coming. Which one? Let's go ahead. Take your marker let's go ahead and mark that stud. We may have to come back and revisit it. No, that's not the one that was tight, was it?
That's the one I just took off.
That one was? I thought it was the other one. Okay. All right, we'll give her a little more jonesing. I don't think it's coming.
Well,
I'm not seeing the gap here. No, so we got two we're gonna have to cut. We'll clean up our mess here just a little bit, and we'll get ready to start cutting. I think you got it. Yep, that looks good. Good, and good. One more time, that was a lot of fun. I got it right there. Yeah, that's
I was about to say.
That's a bad potato, man. Folks, ladies and gentlemen in the YouTube couch studio, we're tired. It's now 2:30 in the morning, a little after. We've been slinging tires since 8 o'clock this morning. We're just tired, kids. I hope you don't think less of us because we're tired. Got it. Hear the tone change? Well, that's just pretty nice. Those are going to be good to go. Those are the exact ones. All right. Let's see if he does the bar walk. It's 3 o'clock in the morning now. Ooh, he muckled himself. He put him in the briar patch is what he did. Think you could do the one bar stomp, one boot stomp?
Oh yes.
Man. Well, just like that, that one's mounted. Let it down, hand torque it, and pack out. Well, we're gonna close out this video in my shop. It's very dark, we're very tired. It's 6:15 or so in the morning. They ran us all over God's green earth chasing down tires because they didn't want to buy mine. And parts is always an issue in the middle of the night. I don't know what I would have needed to have that I didn't have. I think I had everything but the actual parts, and those are hard to source. But we got the kablooey, and then we have a bad rim, and they just said put 2 on, so we just took that other one. It's here. I think the shop opens in just a little over an hour. I'm gonna go in and try and take me a nippy nap. Caleb over there, Hollywood, he's just finishing up a Code Brown. We got Survivor, the shop kitty. This is Survivor. This is his first appearance on tape. What do you have to say to the wide world?
Let's go to bed.
Oh, no whoops on tires?
No, I already did that.
I have to agree. Well, there's your debut, Survivor. This is our shop cat. Anyway, appreciate you watching.